Hello everyone. Let's look at today's Leetcode problem 2200. Find all k distance indices in an array. Before starting this problem, let us look at a motivational quote for today. Don't give up if something feels hard today. Just like seasons change, your struggles will too. With time and practice, you'll get better. Keep trying, be patient, and one day you'll look back and see how much you've grown. In simple examples, let's say when we are riding a bike uh, in our younger ages, at first we might fall, but don't we do not stop, or we never should uh, put a stop to trying it out again. So if we keep practicing, we will eventually ride a small bicycle, maybe a bike and a car, and as time improves we will progress from there, right? So yeah, let's look at this problem. You are given a zero indexed integer array nums and an integer key and k. A k distant index is an index I of nums for which there exists at least one index j such that I minus j is less than or equal to k, and I nums of j is equals to k. Okay, so these are the two conditions that we need to focus upon, and return all k distance indices sorted in increasing order. Okay, so this is a detailed example. I think this will help us understand this problem much better, right? So let's say we are given with this num and we are asked to find the index j with the help of this key, right? So if I mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, uh, j can be 2 and 5, 2 and 5, right? So j is seen at index 2 and 5 with the key 9. So now the question is, with this part where we need to find index. So let's say at 0, if we do 0 minus 2, which is this way, is it less than or equal to k? This is the criteria. So this is 2 less than or equal to k, which is false. So this is not a possible value, right? So 0 minus j is, and nums of j is equals to. So and now if we consider the second index, I is equals to 0, I is equals to 1, 1 minus 2, is it less than or equal to k? It is true. So we can say 1 is a possible value that we can return in our output array. Similarly, 2 is also something. I is equals to 2 also will be a valid situation. 2 minus 2, which is 0 less than or equal to k, right? So 2 is also 1, and 3 is also a possible value, 4 is also a possible value. And since we have 5, 5, 6, these are also possible values. So this is the output array we need to return. So let us quickly solve this problem. We just need to add in uh, uh, certain if checks to solve this problem. Apart from that, this doesn't have much of a thing to worry about, right? So one is we need to say if nums of j is equals to key, then can we need to check if I, or we need to iterate from the specific index I minus j is should be less than or equal to k, right? So when we have mod here, we should clearly understand that it would start from the left side k times and also spanning k times in the right direction. So this would be, I would be something like, we can say 0 to j minus k times, uh, where j would be the possible values with respect to the key that we have given with the input here, and end value will be like mat length minus length to j plus k, right? Either this would be the math.max 0 to j minus k, and this would be j plus k. So this is the main piece that we need to focus on, and then we can uh, say I start and I less than end, and we can results dot push the specific I, and this will be unique set of values, so results will be a set data type. Okay, so let's quickly go to our Leetcode editor and let's quickly apply this solution. Okay, this should solve this problem. Let us see the time complexity of this solution. Okay, so This should solve this problem. Let us try. Okay, so as I understand, we should also convert this to an array as there is a type error that we see. So this would be result, and let's also start the result out as that's an expected piece. So now this should be an array problem, array type, and this should solve this issue. As you can see, the solution gets submitted. Time complexity would be of n and k, as we are iterating n times through the nums.length and also k times with respect to this operation here, right? And space complexity would be of n, as we are storing it in a set. Yeah. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.